welcome to class today. Today we've got a really nice, quick, fast ab blitz. It's going to be the first of a 3-part series. We're starting from an easier level and then we're going to sort of bring it up to a harder level by the 3rd session. So let's begin. We're going to start, as we usually do, with a couple of standing roll downs just to get the spine moving. It makes for better ab workout. So standing there with the feet hip distance apart, spread the toes, feel long through the legs. Let's start to get a bit of length through the trunk, the distance between the ribs and the hips, lengthening that. Abdominals drawing up and around before we even move. They come in, shoulders wide, back of the neck long. Let's breathe in and then breathe out. Start to roll forward. Chin comes down towards the chest, rolling through your back. Let your arms be heavy. Let the back of the neck be heavy. Let's breathe in. And then out to start to roll back up, lifting through your abdominals at the front. So here's lifting, here's rolling. The tail comes down at the back. We come back up tall, shoulders go wide. And at the top, you're getting a sense of the arches of the feet lifting. Arches come up through the inner thigh, come up through your pelvic floor and through your entire being is your true core line. So lifting up from that core line, arches, inner thighs. Right up through the crown of the head, breathe in, and then breathing out to roll forwards, but keep that line lifted. Just because you're rolling over, it doesn't mean you lose control of that inner core line. Let's breathe out, roll back up from the tail. The ribs come on back on top of the hips. You lengthen, lift up on that internal. You can think of it as like a plumb line internally. And we do one more here. Breathe out. Rolling forwards, arms relax, let the neck lengthen, breathe in, and then out to roll up. Find that lower back, rounded underneath and lift through the tummy. Shoulders widen, breastbone lifts, come up tall. And let's come down to the mat where we're going to start our movements. So lying flat on your back, arms relaxed down by your sides. And then from here, we want to keep the pelvis really still. So first class level 1, we're just going to start to tap into this inner line as we work. So as you breathe out, lift through that inner line and lift one leg up to tabletop and then the other leg up to tabletop. Your abdominals want to be lifted and wrapped around your hips. And if you were to have a look up, that would be nice and flat and it's not doming. When it's doming, it means that the superficial abs are on and we're not working from the deeper layers. So deeper layers are on, we breathe out, send one leg down, lift it back up, and then to the other side. Just learning to get lifted on that inner line without the spine moving, maintaining your natural arch in your lower back, moving the legs, and just challenging this core control that's really deep within, softening the neck and the throat. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, one leg down with control, other leg down, and then you can let go. Pubic bone and navel go level for this next one. You've got a champagne glass resting over there, over the pubic bone. Hands behind the head. Let's do a really perfect ab curl. Breathe out, curl the chest up towards the thighs. Breathe in, lay back down. Exhale, coming back up. Inhale, laying back down. Keep that champagne glass nice and safe. Often I see this, tucking of the neck and the hips. You see here I get a superficial dome. We want to relax the pelvis out. Keep this flattening, lift on that internal line and curl without loss of control of that pelvis. Let's keep going. 8, 7, shoulders wide. Elbows in their peripheral vision and really moving from the breastbone forward. Chest lifts over to the knees. And 3, in fact, last 3 guys, put your fingertips down on your breastbone. It'll help curl the chest bone up and get deeper into the abs. Last 2. Last 1. Hold the curl, lift one leg to tabletop. Then lift the other leg to tabletop, maintain the curl. Let's do our femur arcs. Exhale down, inhale up. 6, 5, 4, shoulders down, 3, keep those shoulders off the mat, 2, and 1. Bring one leg down, bring your other leg down, and lengthen the spine back down. Good work. Arms come down by your sides. Let's lift your right leg to tabletop. Wrap your abdominals around your hips. Internal line lifts. Lift the other leg up. Keep the shoulders out of it. From here, we're going to bring your hands on the top of your right knee. Curl through your head, neck, and shoulders. Straighten out your left leg. From here, we're going to switch the legs. Switch the hand. And switch. And switch. Go slow. Champagne glass is still on that pubic bone. Keep the pelvis really still. And switch. And switch. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This time, lay down, hug the knees into the chest. Roll out through your lower back. Turn your head from side to side. I'm just going to come up my mat a little bit so I stay in shot. And then from here, this time knees stay bent, feet are on the floor. We interlace the fingers behind the head. Curl up and cross to the right. Inhale down. Exhale, curl up through center, cross to the left. Inhale down. So we've still got that champagne glass resting over the pelvis. So that stays still. We're twisting through the mid-back. Keeping the pelvis really settled. No bum muscles. That's cheating. Legs, bums, they stay out. It's all in the abs. Let's do 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back down. And then from here, we've got one more set around the world, I call this. So, if you stay where we are with the lower body, the upper body comes up, you twist to the right, you come back to the mat, come over to the left, and over again. Going around in a circle. And down. 3, 2, and 1. Cross straight back to the other side. Over and around. Curl off the shoulders, guys. Practice getting the shoulders off the mat. Let's do 2. And 1. And down. Lengthen the legs out long. Give yourself a little belly bash. Relax your arms down by your side. Close your eyes. Breathe in. And out. One more in. And out. If you like, you can go straight to the next video for level 2, or you could practice that one again if you're up for it. Otherwise, I've got a video for beginners, which really teaches you to curl through the spine, which is a really excellent one to help get deeper into your abdominals. If you felt your abdominals and you like that one, guys, please subscribe and like the video so I can continue to do this. And also, if you've got any questions, let me know, comment in the box below. I'm more than happy to help.